Subscribe to receive daily videos on natural solutions and cures.
Ever wondered how well your brain is functioning, or perhaps how you could boost its performance? Well, my friends, you're not alone in this curiosity. The brain, an organ of immense complexity and potential, is indeed a marvel of nature. Its health dictates everything from our thoughts and emotions to our ability to make sense of the world around us. Now, imagine if we could unlock even more of this potential. To think faster, remember more, and even improve our mood? Sounds like science fiction, doesn't it? But it's not. The human brain has an incredible capacity for improvement. It's plastic, adaptable, and can be shaped and enhanced throughout our lives. Enter Omega-3s, an unsung hero in the quest for optimal brain health. These essential fatty acids are a powerful tool for supercharging our brains, helping us reach new heights of mental prowess. So the question arises, what are these Omega-3s, and how can they supercharge your brain? Omega-3s are a type of fat that your body can't make, but needs to function. They are crucial for brain health. Now let's dive deeper into the world of these fascinating fatty acids. Omega-3s come in three primary forms: EPA, DHA, and ALA. EPA, or eicosapentaenoic acid, is known to have potent anti-inflammatory effects. It's like a fire extinguisher for those smoldering flames of inflammation in your body. On the other hand, DHA, or docosahexaenoic acid, makes up a significant portion of the brain and plays a crucial role in its development and function. It's essentially the building block of your brain. Lastly, we have ALA, or alpha-linolenic acid, which serves as an energy source and can also be converted into EPA and DHA to a certain extent. The benefits of these fats are profound. They promote brain health, improve mood, cognition, and even have the potential to protect against mental decline. Imagine having a sharper mind, a more positive outlook, and a brain that's aging like a fine wine. That's the power of Omega-3s. But how do Omega-3s do all this, you ask? Well, these fats are part of the cell membranes throughout the body, including the brain. They affect the function of the cell receptors in these membranes, influencing the way your brain cells communicate with each other. They also provide benefits for heart health and can fight inflammation. It's like they're the peacekeepers of your body, maintaining harmony and balance. Omega-3s also influence the production of molecules that regulate gene expression and play a role in brain function. Their potential to enhance cognitive abilities is like adding a turbo boost to your brain's engine. Now you might be wondering, how can you incorporate Omega-3s into your diet? Incorporating Omega-3s into your diet is easier than you might think. Start by adding Omega-3 rich foods to your meals. A simple and delicious way to do this is through fish. Salmon, mackerel, and sardines are all excellent sources. If you're not a seafood fan, don't worry. Walnuts are another great source. Sprinkle them on your salad or oatmeal for an omega-3 boost. Chia seeds and flax seeds, too, can be seamlessly added to your smoothies or yogurt. And let's not forget about omega-3 fortified foods like certain brands of eggs, milk, and yogurt. After incorporating Omega-3s, observe the changes in your daily life. You may notice an improved mood, better focus, and less mental fatigue. It's amazing how a dietary change can supercharge your brain, so why not give it a try? Boost your brain power with Omega-3s and unleash your true mental potential.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe for more videos on natural solutions and cures.